Look at that. It's perfect. It's rising exactly the way it should. Everyone's excited, and then a recession hits and the economy collapses.
Whether or not there is one on the way, recession preparation can keep you financially safe during an uncertain economy.
Hi, I'm May. I achieved financial independence from scratch through investing and enhancing my personal finance literacy.
Today, I've partnered with Freedom Debt Relief to show you how to make sure a recession doesn't collapse your finances.
Unlike the souffle. Here's the thing about souffles and about recessions. Neither one is a surprise. You know going in that a souffle is fragile. Same with the economy. There are periods of expansion and contraction. When economic activity contracts, people lose their jobs, company earnings decline, credit becomes harder to get, and stock prices tend to fall.
The people who get hurt aren't the ones who didn't see it coming. They're the ones who weren't prepared when it did. So let's talk about the recipe for recession-proofing your finances. 4 ingredients. The last one is missed by most. Let's go.
First ingredient, your emergency fund. This is your souffle dish. The foundation everything else sits in. Without it, nothing holds. You need 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. A recession is not the time to be selling investments to pay your rent. Your emergency fund is what keeps you from doing that. Ingredient 2, no high-interest debt or extra expenses. High-interest debt is the cold draft that makes your souffle fall. It destabilizes everything. If you're carrying credit card debt above 10% APR, that is your priority right now. Because in a recession, that interest doesn't pause. It compounds against you. If you can eliminate extra expenses, use the money saved to pay down the high interest debt faster. Third ingredient, improving your credit score. Take extra care to make all your payments on time. And be selective about opening new credit accounts. Recessions make lenders especially wary of taking risks. A good credit score will help you look more credit worthy, just like a smooth base is needed for a souffle. Ingredient 4, a skills audit. This one nobody talks about. Your income is your most valuable financial asset. And in a recession, jobs get cut. So right now, before anything happens, ask yourself, what skills make me hard to replace? What can I do to bring in income outside of my job? A souffle has structure built into it before it ever goes in the oven. Your income resilience works the same way. Build it now, not when the temperature drops. A recession isn't a punishment, it's a temperature change. And if your financial kitchen is set up correctly, you come out of it with this. And if you're struggling with credit card debt, check out freedomdebtrelief.com. They've resolved over $22 billion for their members. Tell me what you want me to make next.